Shit. They said 3,000 pounds, but over here it says 2,500. Yesterday, I found a safe that was sitting next to a roll-off dumpster. It was next to a BJ's, and a couple people in the comments said because the door was open that I would be able to change the lockout and be able to resell it used. I did some research on the safe. It's a Wilson safe. It's the largest model of the TL30 Reliance Silver safes, and new they sell for $10,000 plus. So I actually called the company and explained I had the opportunity to purchase one with the door open, and they said that a service call to replace the lock would be in the hundreds of dollars range. On the safe, I went back to BJ's and it's still here. I went inside and I talked to the store manager, and they said they just don't have the combo. They used to use it for their jewelry department. They don't have one anymore, and they just lost the combo. So according to the comments in the last video, this is going to be a pretty easy fix with a locksmith, just resetting the code. The door is open, so I'm going to go rent an Enterprise box truck with a lift gate. I've got a pallet jack. This thing weighs 3,000 pounds. It should be around the limit of the lift gate, and we're going to pick this thing up, get it fixed, and try to flip it for 2-3 grand. A lot of weight to try to like hang on and stop it from happening. We gotta kind of come at it this way and then swing it just as we get like a foot onto the gate, turn it and swing it to bring it on sideways, and then hopefully then sideways lift it up and swivel it. Okay. Ready? Try another time.
Alright, I'm ready whenever you are.
If this doesn't end up working, then I might just go inside and be like, hey, can you just get your forklift? Come on here. Works. I want to push it that way.
Okay. You know when it's close to the edge?
Yeah.
Okay, you got like 2 inches, another inch, done.
So, we got it on there. Now this is like the test of the lift gate, right? Because we'll get it up. I should be able to swivel it this way, pull it on. It's not going. They said 3,000 pounds, but over here it says 2,500. I mean, once it's on, then we will be able to bring the lift gate up to the surface and get it on, and it'll come down. Everything, gravity will help bring it down. But that if we get in here with the fork truck, then then it's ours. Well, it's not going to make it on there, so I'm going to let it down before this whole lift gate comes down.
Maybe this was just a terrible idea.
So, like,
So after some careful thought and trying to get this thing on there, we're gonna pass on it. Even though we're in this box truck, we couldn't get it up. They said on the phone it was a 3,000 pound limit. Over here on the truck it said 2,500 pounds. We also kind of had it hanging pretty far, and we were gonna ask BJ's to come out with their fork truck and get it on for us, which they would do, and that safe would come down. We would take it off, but if I sell it in the future and the lift gate can't lift it onto the truck, I should have listened to the other people on TikTok who said don't do it. But the dumpster is full of a bunch of gas piping on top of all the trash, so we're gonna take that. It's probably 600 or 700 pounds, so it might pay for the truck. Not really gonna pay for the time, but not a complete loss, I guess. Okay, lesson learned. If it's at the limit of the lift gate, it's probably not gonna actually work. And it just incentivizes me more to get a building with an actual loading dock, because if I did have access to that, I could take this, could have them forklift this on and just drop it off. I need a new building. I need a bigger building for my other business. They're all kind of related anyway. So next 6 months, that'll happen. But today we're gonna pass on the safe. We tried. We gave it the college try. So we're gonna go turn that metal in for some scrap, maybe make 70, 80 bucks, pay for the box truck. So thanks for watching this exciting, awesome video.